Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Fisner. How you doing, guys? So, this video is only for people who either want to learn electronics with a plan of either being a hobbyist or making on a part-time with us or on their own, but mainly with us, with Inte.Team, across the whole UK, repairs for their customers locally, or two, for people who are running electronics repair shops in any sort, like game consoles, TVs, laptops, computers, etc. Yes, like any repairs, and or are looking for software to manage their business from A to Z, like no compromise, everything has to be just as should be. Okay, so in this video I would like to show what we're using, and there is additional video for Book Repair Online few days back, so you can just check that video, and that is showing Book Repair Online from the inside. Okay, I would like to show like a second part of that, what we are offering to our customers and what you could be a part of if you would decide to join us. Okay, so why you would join? You would join Inte.Team. Reason number one: if you are working alone, your knowledge is only yours. Okay, nobody can help you with your problems. Okay, nobody can help you when you struggle. You need to be 100% in it, and some of the customers are really not easy to work with. Okay, second foremost, so that's first foremost, you are on your own. Second foremost, yes, that was the not easy customers to deal with. Three, we want to have memberships and repair shops across whole country. Together is easier because we will be supplying stuff as well to our repair shops, so our repair shops will have always better prices if they are run by other people. In that case, if we can buy displays for the TVs, then our repair shops can have cheaper prices rather than going to ASWO shop and paying a lot of money. We can buy displays for all the repair shops, and then you will only cover the shipping cost to you. So you can gather 5 to 10 displays, and then we can find, you know, the best approach. Maybe there is second shop, maybe there is third shop, and then we can even get into the van and even deliver it across the UK if that will be better than just sending it, shipping it. The same with backlights, the same with game console parts, laptop parts. Yes, we will be even buying new devices, we will be opening them, and we will be checking standby voltages, we will be checking power on procedure, what on the oscilloscope is switching first, second, third, and so on. Yes, what are the values of those chips? We will be trying to replace these chips to see which ones are married and so on. So being together as a cooperative, yes, it's far better than being on your own. Okay, so guys, I would say that I'm repeating the first point I was making, yes, that you will be on your own. Here I think you get the point that together, integrated, yes, integrity, Inte.Team, integrity team, it just being together, it means better. If you check Inte.Team in Livingston, has over 170 still 5-star rated reviews, and we're trying to keep this way. I'm not saying we always can keep it this way. I'm not saying that we fix everything what is thrown on us. Sometimes there are laptops, like we had one laptop which the customer have said that he picked up a laptop from us and we only replaced one MOSFET, nothing else. Yes, because that's all I could see. Under thermal camera there was nothing, we couldn't find the schematics for it, and so on. And after he said that he gave it to other repair shop, he didn't say who it is, and after 4 days this laptop is working. And I agree with it. We're not miracle makers. Okay, we have a team where now I'm specializing people in only one niche, like laptop repairs or game console repairs, yes, or micro soldering stuff, or TV repairs, yes, and they are all trying to learn more, but we're not alphas and omegas, we don't know everything. Yes, so I do believe that there will be someone who's sitting only with laptops, like Sorin for instance, And then this kind of person, yes, have far greater knowledge in the field of laptops. We need time so that our technician who's specializing in the laptops, he will learn tons of stuff and he will apply those fixes, and he will know from top of his head as Sorin can tell you. Whereas I see some of the things Sorin could do otherwise, because I had that problem in the past and I know what he's talking about, and then there is no fix, yes, and what he could do differently, yes, but that's my point of view, okay? Somebody might say, Peter, you're talking rubbish, yes, and that's okay. We can't please everyone. We're only looking for people who believe that in a cooperative it's better, okay? 2, we are open. So that means if we use in a software, Book Repair Online, which was created by our Yoda and the Padawans web development team in-house, who's with us can share, can use the same software, Book Repair Online. Okay, so I do believe that having the best software is the way to go. Okay, Book Repair Online. So what it is that this software allows you to run your own business on automation, you can say, because there are all features, yes, all features inside which you need to run the business, including invoicing, chat, forum, employee management or team management, yes, like technicians, including card payments, including everything what you might need and more. Yes, it's always added more. We plan to add even SMS, like text messaging with the customers, yes, and email correspondence with the customers. Okay, so there is everything which you could dream of, literally. It's when we see something that we can do, we just add it. Yes, we just literally add it to the book repair, and it's growing, it's constantly growing. So yeah, if you think of a better way, we can always let us know. If you work with us, we can always add it. Now I've created this is a sub page to our main website, and it's click on our booking system in 3 steps. I just made a video about it as well today. So it's explaining, self-explanatory, yes, what and how to do. And then when you've got some problem, you see the prices, everything. And then when you click back, it will go to our main website. Now, those who don't have a website and can't integrate those things like Book Repair Online, custom URL for booking to manage your business better, and can't integrate that website, which is for the self-explanatory for the customers, then we are offering as well from £50 up to about £200, depend which version you will take, of the website, because Book Repair Online has even a shop built in, yes, e-commerce, so you don't need extra e-commerce if you would decide to sell something from your site. So only what you need is like representation of your business. So I've got lifetime account here at monster1.com, and in the WordPress themes, yes, you can pick one design. I can install it on your custom domain name. Hosting is £50 per year, so it's not really dear, and you can have your own website and connect it with a Book Repair Online with this form here, yes, as well. And you can add, as I did, this thing, yes, where you can literally show to the customers your own way. Only you need to give me the prices and the terms so that I can add it here, yes. I will be growing our list, so this will be growing for sure. I just don't have time to do everything simultaneously, so it has to wait. But as you can see, cooperation pays, because one, you don't have to worry about any system to manage all the bookings. You've got statuses, you've got Kanban to see in column, to do, doing, waiting on parts and everything, yes. And when parts are coming, and you check in, and okay, parts for job this, so you see this part came, so you can drag it to, let's say, in a queue now, yes, or let the technician know which is attached to this job, that the parts came and can work on it. So I would say, for a person who plan to develop their skills and a business, bookRepairOnline.co.uk and cooperation with Inte.Team is the best way to go, because we are creating a community of repair shops where they are integrated, and of people who want to learn as well, and then in their own time when they feel ready they can use our software for their own business. We don't have access to the customer's data from our repair shop, so whoever has access to our repair shop, either they're all business manager, repair manager, yes, or the worker, like yes, team member, they don't even see customer details. Like, that's how it's created. And then customer support, yes, we only see our own repair shop customers. Okay, so if you've got your own repair shop and you want to inquire about some problem with the software or something, you need to go directly through our customer support, and I will be the person who's dealing, so that nobody else have access to your data. Okay, so your data is safe, plus it's backed up daily as well on the server. And what else I can tell you? I can tell you that that's pretty much it. I would say you need to decide if you want to go alone, if you want to cooperate with someone else, if you want to make sure that you're growing and you know what our problems are, you will know about them and you will learn on them. Okay, so it will be easier for you to manage your own business. So that's what I can say. Everything else is on your side. So if you think you're better on your own, no problem. If you think you don't need better software, no problem. I know that we have, I can show you, not here, and not here. Surprisingly, that website is logged out. So I will show you. Okay. Now, okay, here. So what it is that you can see how many jobs we had, and you can see that here was growing and here was flat and here was starting to grow. And I had to put a cap for 4 months because we couldn't make it. We had so many jobs. Now this bottom one is not accurate because we've got status called customer picked it up, and that would be more as this one is, yes, because we don't have all of them marked as paid, as completed. Okay, some of them we keep and even keep for a few months because customers are not sure if they are happy. Sometimes the fault was so complex that it was a random fault, yes, and then we had to find it and we fixed it, and then whole week or two, and then we forget about it. So I'm then going after 2-3 months and then switching it off, yes. So it's not really accurate. Some of them are here, not switch off completely, but the top one is accurate. How many bookings was? So we've got from 50 to 70 nearly bookings. Okay, and I'm still, today is 52 bookings and it's 26th of March. Okay, so it's still more. I was on a holiday last month, that's why it's less as well, because I couldn't take all of the jobs. And guys, we want to grow now to 100, but my technicians have to learn skills which they don't have yet, and because of that I can't take more jobs. So I'm finding apprentices, I'm teaching them so that my apprentices can do some of the simpler jobs and our technicians can spend time to learn those more advanced things, yes. This way we will be able to have experts in the field sometime in the future. And that's why I do believe that integrity, where you can get together, I think it's the way to win. And then we know which devices are faulty, what types of the faults are the most common, how to approach these repairs as well, because some of them you think it's only something and it's turning out to be completely different. So that's why it's better to be together, guys. I'm finishing off because it's 14 minutes, first foremost, and second foremost, I'm feeling that I'm repeating myself. Guys, thank you for watching. If you think that integration with other repair shops like cooperative, it's a good way for you, get in touch on many ways. You can go to our website, Book Repair. You can go to our website on Google, Inte.Team. You can go to this channel and you will find our contact information for sure, guys. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.